Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this episode, we are going to be talking about the Major Arcana card that corresponds to the sign of Gemini, and that is the Lover's card. The Lover's card shows two lovers, a man and a woman in this case, and that's a little bit like our Gemini energy. If you know a little bit about Gemini, Gemini is represented by the twins. And we see in Gemini this quality of almost having the energy and the capacity for life of two people. They're full of life, full of fun, very interested in many different topics, amazing communicators, and someone who is, like, I always consider Gemini energy to be like a little fairy flitting from this to that and the other thing. They're amazing multitaskers, somebody that is full of life, full of fun. So the Lover's card corresponds to that. So when we see the Lover's card, we see the main characters there are the two people. And we think of this as this duality. We've got male and female. We've got this energy of the two becoming one. And that's a little bit about what Gemini represents. So Gemini has this capacity for connecting to other people, for communicating well with other people, for having a great intellect and a great interest in lots of topics in the world, and the sort of wonderful, airy, sort of fun, light energy that air signs all have. The Lover's card has that quality of this coming together, and the Geminis that we see often have kind of almost a dual energy about them, that they can have almost like a dual personality or double lives in some cases. So we see that card when we see the Lover's card. We see those two lovers. That will remind us that this is about Gemini. So if you see this card show up in a reading and you know a little bit about astrology, you can pull up what you know about Gemini and add that to what you know about the Lover's card. If you are a Gemini, this is your special card, and when it shows up in a reading, it reflects all the beauty that you have within you. And if you need to bring in some more of that fabulous Gemini energy by being a little bit lighter, stimulating your intellect, being a better communicator, or being versatile in some way, then you may want to pull that Lover's card into your life magically or as a meditation tool to bring more of that Gemini energy into your life. So that does it for this episode. I'm Madam Pamita. This is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com, where you'll find tons of great information, lots of great resources. Of course, there's tarot readings there, but I also have instructional resources and lots of free lessons, videos, how-to guides, all kinds of good stuff there. So check me out there, and be sure to subscribe by pushing that subscribe button below so that you'll get notified whenever there's a new video out, and you'll be the first one to see it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.